Hey Jenny, can you take a look at these view snippets and suggest any corrections?
Sure thing. What have you got there?
Thanks. So this part here is supposed to compare the two variables and return a string that will be passed to the XBC function. The function should then replicate the string and output the result to the console, but something's not working here.
Okay, let me take a look. All right. First of all, you're using a lambda here, but you ought to be using a def statement. It's not critical, but it's more useful for tracebacks and string representations. And most of all, it effectively blurs the real issue.
The real issue? Which is?
Which is the scope. Look here, in this section. Not only are you using a variable whose scope is local, it exists only inside this function, but you're also then trying to pass it on to another function as its argument. This won't work as this variable is not available for any other function in this namespace.
And the sum variable here?
Well, it shadows the sum function, which is a built-in function. But this will not raise any exceptions here. It's just bad practice. Shadowing is a common source of errors, so if you don't need it and can avoid it, then you should avoid it.
Noted. Never is it advisable to use shadowing without knowing what I'm doing. Holy cat, Jenny, you're a genius.
Not a genius, really. Just happen to have written a few lines of code more in my life than you, that's all. Don't worry, your code writing will be better and better the more you work with real projects and actual code, and the more often it gets reviewed by me or anyone else on the team. We all like helping juniors. Besides, that's part of the job.
Thank you.